along for that. And it's so far, I've been chatting with spirits already, and I believe, I'm gonna move that one index meter somewhere else, because I can't really see the K25. See that? His name is Tony. Are you Tony? Thank you. See? Tony is back. And I think he wants to communicate. Do you know what my name is? I have all these goodies for you guys. Do you recognize what this is? What these are? Yeah, these are actual Vegas. I can get some. So, I got all these toys here. And we're just going to communicate now. Okay, Tony? Are you ready? Yeah, I think they're ready. He's been responding from that K2 meter. And, I'm gonna turn this light off. Whoa, meter. So you can see the K2 meter, right? That's how he's been responding. And I'm gonna call this white noise experience. I have this TV on the off channel. Does that help me give you more energy with the TV on like that? Yeah, I'm gonna play the voice recorder I had on since I was setting up. I'm hoping I'll have something. I'm gonna play it back. Oh, well, I'm excited. With your voice, you're going to talk to this voice recorder. But you can see it from the window is closed. And the balloon is moving. I'm just playing this right now. Underneath my laptop, okay? you. I saw that spike. Is your name Rob? Oh, you told me. Is your name Tommy? I saw that lit up. Yes, thank you. Hi, Tommy. Oh, this is awesome. Thank you for communicating. I used to cry, I'm not afraid. Yes, you are, huh? Well, I learned that spirit forgiveness one, right? And you also have feelings. You still have your feelings. You still have your intellect, your feelings, and emotions. You still feel them. You know your spirit. Yes, you did. Thank you. So I'll respect that, and you'll respect me. Do you trust me? Do you trust me that I can help you? You want me to help you? Yes. Okay. Thank you for that advice. Thank you. If you want me to help you, keep doing that what you're doing right now. Just touch to that case of you. Or whatever that means to have you there. You like the TV and everything there? I'm going to start recording, okay? Have you tried to my laptop, please? Sorry, I'm getting excited. Spirit are communicating with me right now. Even before I record, and that's why I have a voice recorder on. And I'm going to turn my other one on. Don't be afraid of these devices to help you communicate, and you'll be able to listen and maybe see you. You like that? You like that we're trying to communicate? Yes, thank you. I saw that spike, thank you. You want to come back to the first door? That's it for that one. And, just test to see, you guys can see that one better. Yeah. Sorry. Started it earlier to see it came to me there that way. Well, that's how he's feeling funny from that KT meter. And I am putting in the spirit box in my next clip. So this is just the first part right now. Are you here, Tony, still? Tony, if you're still here, can you test the KT meter for us? Are there any other spirits here that would like to communicate? Can you test the KT meter for us? Or Tony, are you back? Can you light up that KT meter for us? Thank you, I saw that. Thank you. Alright, I'm gonna start the sorry. I'm gonna start the spirit box, okay, in a minute. So stay with me if you can. Thanks for watching. First part, white noise. Experiment.